Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee cooking channel. I'm Jasbir and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today I'll be cooking nasi lemak. Nasi lemak means oily rice or fatty rice in Malay. Nasi lemak is normally served with coconut rice, sambal, fried anchovies, egg, cucumber and peanuts. I learned how to make the sambal from my mother, who learned it from a kampong friend. I actually cooked nasi lemak on MasterChef Asia back in 2015. This was the dish that got me knocked out of the competition because I forgot to put anchovies on my plate. I will never forget to do that again. I'll link the MasterChef video for you to watch. Let's begin with the recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please check out the description box. I'm going to start by soaking the dried chilies in hot water to rehydrate them. Set this aside for about half an hour. After waiting, put all the dehydrated chilies into a blender and blend it till crushed. I like my dried chilies to be very fine and not flaky, so I'm sieving the blended chilies. A little tip to share on sieving. I use 2 teaspoons to hold my sieve over the bowl so it doesn't fall off. This is useful especially if you don't have extra hands to help you out. So, sieve as much as you can into a bowl but do not discard the pulp. Put the pulp back into the blender and blend it again. Add water for easy blending. Repeat the sieving process again. Continue sieving till all the liquid is drained. You can keep the pulp and dry it to use as chili flakes. All you need to do is put them in the oven at a very low temperature. Now for the rest of the sambal ingredients. Roughly chopped onions, galangal, ginger, garlic, belachan and lemongrass. For the lemongrass, I chopped 2 to add to the blender and the other 2 I crushed with the back of the knife to bruise it, allowing the flavors to be released when we cook later. Add all the chopped ingredients as well as tamarind and fried anchovies. Blend this into a fine paste. You might have to blend a little longer than normal because some of the ingredients are hard like the galangal. Before I begin cooking the sambal, I will prepare the rice for cooking. Slice the ginger thinly. Tear the pandan leaves and knot them. Wash the rice and add enough coconut milk and water to cook it. Add salt, ginger slices and stir well. Check the liquid amount and add the pandan leaves. Cover and cook the rice. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. Heat about 8 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Add all the blended ingredients we prepared earlier into the wok. Stir well, but do not season yet as we already have fried anchovies and belachan in the sambal. Cover this and let it cook on medium heat. Constantly check on it so that the sambal does not stick to the base of the wok. Whoa! It is coming along nicely. The color is starting to get darker and I can smell the fragrance from the belachan. Stir well and cover this again. It has totally caramelized and cooked well. The oil has surfaced and the fragrance is intense. Taste before you season. I'm adding salt and also sugar to get a good balance of heat from the sambal. Continue cooking this uncovered till the sugar has fully dissolved and the oil resurfaces. Taste it again. Add more salt or sugar to get a sambal that satisfies your taste. Ta-da! It's done! As simple as that. My delicious nasi lemak is ready to eat. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. See you next week. I actually cooked this dish. I will never forget to do that. I'll share the link with you. I'll share the link with you. No. I'll link the video for you to watch. I'll link the video for you to watch. Okay. I'll link the video for you to